Execute code when Django starts once only? I'm writing a Django middleware class that I want to execute only once at startup, to initialize some other arbitrary code. I follow the very nice solution posted by Stolen here, but the hello message is output to the terminal twice. For example, and in my Django settings file, I've got the class included in the middleware_classes list. But when I run Django using run server and request a page, I get in the terminal. Any ideas why hello world is printed twice? Thanks.
Update from Piccolo's answer below. Django 1.7 now has a hook for this. Don't do it this way. You don't want middleware for a one-time startup thing. You want to execute code in the top-level urls.py. That module is imported and executed once. urls.py.
Update, Django 1.7 now has a hook for this. File, myapp/apps.py. File, myapp/_init_.py. For Django's lower than 1.7. The number one answer does not seem to work anymore. urls.py is loaded upon first request. What has worked lately is to put the startup code in any one of your installed _apps init.py, for example myapp/_init_.py. When using /manage.py run server, this gets executed twice, but that is because run server has some tricks to validate the models first, etc. Normal deployments or even when run server auto reloads, this is only executed once.
This question is well answered in the blog post. Entry point hook for Django projects, which will work for Django, is greater than or equal to 1.4. Basically, you can use project/wsgi.py to do that, and it will be run only once, when the server starts, but not when you run commands or import a particular module.
As suggested by a pickler, in Django 1.7+ you should use the hook explained in his answer, but if you want that your function is called only when run server is called, and not when making migrations, migrate, shell, etc. are called, and you want to avoid a registrinit-ready exceptions, you have to do as follows. File, myapp/apps.py.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.